Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a small Dollar Tree haul to share. Sorry, let me just turn this down a little bit because it's a little loud. Okay, so I have Dollar Tree haul to share, and this is from Friday. So today's Monday, and I just got so busy. I did go out on Friday and get some food, and I also stopped at Dollar Tree, of course, but it's just been so busy, guys. I don't know. Anyway, let's get into this haul. I did grab some styrofoam stuff. I wanted to grab more, but you know, this is $1.25 now, so I don't know how good of a deal this is, but I grabbed it because there was a lot there. So I only grabbed 2 for now. At least I know it's there. I also picked up some more of the Easter eggs. I gave my first batch. I gifted it to my friend Jenny, and she loves it. So I went to pick up some for myself. So probably we could craft together and make these fake bake or the fabric covered Easter eggs. So I also picked up some the mini bunnies, the styrofoam ones. So I picked that up too because like I said, I purchased the first batch for her on purpose because I wanted it to get out to her quick. All right, so other stuff, crafty stuff. I found these, the moss bunnies, and yes, I'm going to share. I think I picked up 3. Oh, I thought I picked up more, but whatever. It is what it is. I did find the sequins for the one that Louisa shared. She said there was a different mix. So here's the baby chicks mix, the colorful baby chicks. Some more of the flowers. Now these flowers are different from the first batch. So this is the first one that I got. This is the new purchase. So the flowers are very different. They're smaller and they're not embossed. So I don't know if you guys can see that, the difference there. Hard to tell because my camera is way up high. And then there's the other bunnies. These are the bunnies that are running, so they're cute. And then this is the third style. It has the yellow chickies. I wish they were ducks. Just saying. But I wish they were duckies instead of baby chicks because you already got baby chicks. Anyway, you got the yellow chicks. You got the Easter eggs. These are different also from the first one. So these are the embossed ones, and this one is the cutout Easter eggs. And then this one has the Happy Easter sequins or scatter. So that's cute. So I got the 2 different packs. Picked up this one. My son is coming home this weekend, so we're going to celebrate his 22nd birthday. I'm just going to make him a cake, celebrate at home. He just wants to be home for his birthday. It won't be his birthday, but, you know, this is the weekend that he could come home. His birthday is in March. He's a March baby. It's just, this is the weekend. So anyway, I picked up these little Felties. These are the baby chicks with the cute little bow. The little lambs. I have some in my stash, but I'm like low, so I grabbed this one. There's 6 in the pack. And I also grabbed the bunnies. Oh my god, how cute are they? So I grabbed those. And let me see. All right, let's get into this one. So I picked up the little decorative mesh. I got 2 in the yellow, 2 in the peach. How cute, right? The colors are pretty. 2, of course, in the purple. I was so happy when I saw the purple was there. I was like, yes! Oh, I picked up the little aqua. I call it aqua because it's not baby blue. And then there's green, like a very pale green. It's not fluorescent green. So yeah, that's what I got. I did find their trim, the Rick Rack. So I got 2 in the blue. 2 in the pink. And let me see, I think there's, let me see how many yards are on here. 3 yards. So there's 3 yards of each color. And this one, of course, opened. I did not open this. It just came off. And I got the purple. So those are the colors for the Rick Rack. If you can see it right there. I'm going to share again with a friend. Hopefully. Oh my gosh. I'll just keep this one that's open. You got 3 yards. So yeah. Got that. Sorry guys, there's 2 more bags here. I found the vinyl in the baby blue, and I'm going to be gifting some of this. So there's baby blue, the pale pink, and the lavender. Oh my gosh. So I picked up each color, 2 of each color, and the mint. So I hope you guys can see all that. That's what it looks like. And there's just doubles. So I'm going to share. Yes, yes, yes. They did not have this in my Dollar Tree for a long time. Here we go. And some more of the birthday stuff. I picked up the happy birthday balloon again for my son. I want to make it, you know, a little fun. It's just us. I grabbed more of the little crafty sacks. So there's the plaid, and here's the polka dot, and then here's the carrots. Also, I saw these. I didn't see these there last time. I only picked up one because this was the last of it. It's very wiped out. There's a Pegasus unicorn, a little balloon set here, a cake, and then you have the sweet treats right here, but they're like little houses. They're really tiny houses. A lot of cute stuff there, but that was it for the sweet treats. I also found the coasters, so I picked up 2 of each color, 2 of the pink, 2 of the purple. Now these 2 are the same shaped flowers. They didn't have any blue. They did have the mint, so I grabbed 2 of each of those. Such beautiful colors. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I did grab this in the birthday aisle. You get 20 straws, and they're just paper straws, but it has the little unicorn. Oh my gosh. For the straw. So that's cute. You've got blue with white stripes, pink with the stars, white with the pink hearts, and purple with the clouds. So cute. I was going to put one on just to see what it looks like, but that's okay. There's a little unicorn. Sorry for the glare. That's what I got. I also picked this up for the house just in case. The other ones, you know, you go through these fly swatters. Anyway, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. It was really quick because I was more, you know, going out for food. Yeah, groceries are always fun here. I don't know about you guys, but in our area lately, when you go grocery shopping here in this area where we're at, it's a hit and miss. Sometimes you'll have the foods that you always pick up, and there's like an abundance of them. And then sometimes there's like a wipeout, like literally the shelves are empty. And you just got to go at the right days. That's why I go so often, because I don't pick up everything when I really do go grocery shopping, because it's not all there. So, you know, I always have to go out and get more food. It's so crazy. I don't know if it's the same in your area, but it is really whacked here. And anyway, that's it for my rambling. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out your local Dollar Tree. There's still a few items that I've seen several ladies hauling, and it has not come to my Dollar Tree yet. So hopefully I can get my hands on that. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.